Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. So this is my continuing saga into the ready-to-wear world. Got another piece, y'all. Got another piece. I really, yeah, yeah. So if you think it's like, wow, she's doing an unboxing of an item every month. Yeah, that's basically what's gonna happening. Ooh, child. Shopping, shopping, and shopping. So let me get out my trusty knife from the butcher block. Y'all gonna act up? Okay, let me take this down and get this going. Unbox just to bust it open some. There we go. Put this together. Ooh, yeah, this sweater's a little short, but yeah, because I think several of us have grown a great deal during this quarantine period, and I'm definitely one of them. So here we go. Oh my goodness, I love the gift boxes. Yeah, like everything's a gift box now, basically. When I order something from the Real. Oh my goodness, I love it. I think this looks like this is the top rather than the other way. Oops, anyways. See that? Oh wait. Oh, that ain't the, oh, it's a sleeve. Oh, look at that. Okay. Let me get this out. Oh, I have it in backwards. Okay. Well, I didn't have it in backwards. I opened the box from the wrong side. So you can flip this over. Ta-da! Let me move this out of the way. So we have enough room to make this work. So, I know the last few videos it's like, why are you still doing all these gift boxes? Well, if I order something and I don't know, it's like a gift to yourself, So anyways, let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. So it's a sleeve. I think it's a sleeve. Yeah, it's a sleeve. Go. Very nice on this. Very nice, the Real. Alrighty, and hopefully you could see, yeah, I think I showed you guys all that already. Yep, it's a gift box. Okay, let me turn it around. See what I got. Oh, it's wrapped in here too. Alrighty. Guess maybe gift wrapping is a little different every once in a while. Maybe they have a few different ways of wrapping, like maybe 3 different ways, and then you'll get one of the 3 wrapping options. I don't know why I always act like I don't know what's in here. It just throws me off. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, it's still in. Oh, this is heavy. It's still in the what's up here? It's still in the. It's in the real bag. Uh-oh. Oh no, this is right. This is one. Oh my gosh, the leather smells so good. And this is 2. Yay! Y'all can't tell me nothing. Well, wait a minute. Let me make sure these fit. But these are a pair of Chanel boots. And if you've already seen my winter boot collection, you've seen I have black boots. I think they're all black. And one's black and gray. Yeah, but they're black. So here's a pair of nice brown boots. And it's very discreet. It's on the inside, which I like. The little Chanel insignia, if that shows up. One of these days, I'm going to be less low-tech and actually have something that y'all can see. Let me see if I bring it closer, if this helps. Hopefully it does. But the main thing is going to be, is this bad boy going to fit my foot? So let's see. This is a men's boot. So I don't know. I got it in a men's 9, which should fit my foot. But you never know with this stuff, so alrighty. If you hear me moaning and groaning in a second, it's just me trying to put this boot on. Oh dear. Oh, my calves. Oh no. My calves are no one's friend. Oh no. It looks like the boot fits, but it won't go up my calf. Oh no. Oh man. Okay, hold on. I don't want to shim too far because then if I can't get this doggone boot off. Oh my gosh, nope. This is a nope. Oh my goodness gracious. Can I get it off? Okay. So, unfortunately, the shoe fits down here, does not fit up here. And I thought it would be wide enough. Oh, this totally sucks. And these are nice. They're so nice. I think they were from 2014. Hopefully these will show up. Oh my gosh. And it's not even one of those things where, because I have boots. I had a pair of boots where it's supposed to look like this, but it ended up, being a little more, I guess you call it shrugged down because my calves were too big up here. That would be fine. Y'all, does not like my calf at all. Oh, so bad. But these are beautiful shoes, beautiful boots. So if you wear maybe a 10.5 to 11, but you don't have thick thighs, thick calves like I do, this will be going back to Fashion File. Excuse me, oh my goodness, sorry. This will be going back to the real. This is a nice, size 42. But since it's a men's shoe, I thought it would be a bit more generous. Because usually I need a 42C in women's sizes. Oh, this bumps me out. These are beautiful boots, or at least beautiful to me. Oh, I wonder if there's a way. You see when you start making, exceptions to try to figure out something? Not figure out something, figure out a way to get this bad boy to work. I'm like, there's gotta be something I can do. There's something you can do. Return them. Oh, they're just so beautiful. You know what's really going through my mind right now? Well, maybe if I lose weight. That's the famous last words for a lot of us. I'll just lose weight. Yeah, I'm going to sort of focus on my calf. No. But, no, this isn't going to work. Because even my smaller leg. Because honestly, to be honest with y'all, I was thinking if it fits on my other foot, maybe I could, do some kind of stretching to get this to work. Ooh, that was a workout. No, I don't fit on either foot. Calf's too big. Like if my foot gets down here, which is a good sign because that means there's enough room there, but you see how it starts to wrinkle? No room, does not fit. So, gosh, these are beautiful. So anyways, these will be going back, unfortunately. These will be going back. And there's definitely, there's wear on the bottom. But, geez Louise, this is a good boot to be 6 years old. And of course, it depends on how often the person wore the shoe, but a full leather boot, this is like $1,600 nowadays, I think. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boot. Unfortunately, not enough for me. Oh. That's okay. I'll deal with it. I did get this. This will be my next unboxing. This will be my next one. If y'all don't know, I collect Chanel catalogs, and that's one of them. So anyhow, let me go ahead and put this back. The Real Real. Thank you, The Real Real. I love your boxing. I love your packaging. Don't love that shoe didn't fit. But, what can I do? I paid for my $5 gift wrapping for a shoe that don't fit. Why am I trying to put this sleeve back on? Okay, never mind. All right, y'all. That's it for today. I will be back with hopefully a more successful unboxing sooner rather than later. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.